how you can return an item on Shein. First of all, head over to your Shein app and get logged into your account. From here, tap on Me section, and then you will see My Orders. If you would like to view all your orders, tap on View All button. Then you will see all orders under this All Orders tab. Now, likewise, if you would like to return an item, you will also see Return Something just beside the order. If you do not find it under All Orders, this might be under Processing. Also be noted, if an order is shipped, you can apply for return and get a refund, but there is a strict time limit for that. So for example, if you cannot find your order, you can directly search for it. So let's go ahead and tap on View All again and select Can't Find Your Order. Select Self-Service to find order, and here you can simply type in the tracking number or your phone number to find orders. Likewise, if you would like an external support, tap on this customer service icon. And once you do so, even though this is an automated chat, you will be able to simply chat and they will forward you to a person who can help you. Thank you for watching.